Click enter. To begin with, go to entries. You need to create a chart of account. Chart of account is nothing but the summary of all your transactions. You can say click add button to add the chart of account one by one, or let us use a sample chart which will include most of the groups you require to keep your finance data. Let's use a sample chart. The sample chart is ready here. Click the home button to go back. Click entries. Let us start an entry. When you click entry, you get option to enter your date, title, particulars, amount. Okay, for example, I can select what I am spending for. I am spending for food. I can enter. What you have purchased, like grocery expense, for example 150 or 150. Just click update button. After that, where you spend it from, click and select cash, or if you are paying by bank, let's select cash. Automatically the credit will be selected because already you have selected a debit account. Click the update button to update that. Once the total is matching, like here the debit is 150 and credit is 150, you can click the post button to post this transaction to your ledger. Here if you click home button, you will see the reports from the income statement. You can see what you have spent. For the food, you have spent 150 during this period. You can click here to change the dates. Let's go back to home. Click reports to see what is the balance in your hands. Like for example, you have a credit of 150 in your hand. Credit means you spent out of a zero amount you start with. So let's put some amount in our cash. Let's enter that I have a cash of to say 1000 dirhams in hands. So let's begin with that cash in hand. Let's call it opening balance 1000. Click update. Where is coming from? You better select opening balance. That will be credited to opening balance. Now if you go to home and let's go to report, you will see the balance sheet. Cash in hand, sorry, you have to go back to the entries and you have to post that entry. The last entry has not been posted. Now it's posted. Let's go back to home, click the reports, balance sheet. Now you'll have 850 in your cash. Just ignore the opening balance for the time being. That will be automatically nullified at a later stage. Now to make another entry, for example, I am paying my water and electricity bill. Select the date. You can click here to select the date from the calendar. Suppose I paid it on 8th. Then you select water and electricity here. You can say water and electricity for the month of September. The amount you can enter here 850. It's a debit. If you have an invoice number or anything, you can enter it in the reference. Otherwise, just click the update button. One entry is made. After that, where you paid from. If you paid with your credit card, you can select the credit card and it will be credited to the credit card. Now click the post button to post. Before you post, you have to make sure that the total is matching. Otherwise, will not be able to post an entry. Only posted entries will appear in the reports. For example, if you select balance sheet, it will show you have asset and liabilities graphs are shown here. Cash in hand 850 and your credit card outstanding is 850. If you click here, you will see what you have spent from your credit card. Click home button to go back to the main menu. Click reports. If you want to see the income statement for a period, you will see for food you have spent 150 and for water and electricity you have spent 850. The graph here shows your spending. Thank you for watching and happy